What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Also with JesseW, and today we're going to go over another day trading recap. Nailed a couple good trades today. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's jump into this recap. Now, today was a really interesting day. I made $158 here on Ninja Trader. I was trading the the micro E-minis on here, but I do have another trade on the regular E-minis, and I'm going to explain everything right now to you, okay? But before we do, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you what you're looking at here. This is obviously a 3-minute chart. This up here is, just like my account toolbar, I guess you would call it. What else? We got volume bars down here. This is level 2. Up here where my video recording is, there's nothing really of importance to me while I'm trading. So I'm just going to block it off and put my image there. I guess that's as good a place as any because I'm not going to talk about anything that's going on behind that bar. And here, I'll show you what it is. It's just that. I think it's called DOM. I don't know. I could be wrong. I don't use it, so I don't really care. Then right here in this little box is like when I put out a limit order, you would see it populate right here. Okay, and then you have all the order entry area here as well. Okay, so that's it. There's nothing else to see on here other than that. So today, well, yesterday we had, let me show you the chart here. We had the market do a real nice move. We had a real nice move overnight. The market pushed up real nice. We actually had a gap up today, and it just couldn't hold it. It couldn't hold it, and the bottom just fell out. And right now we are testing some areas from yesterday. Let me show you. Let's see here. Let's do a 15-minute chart here real quick. Maybe that'll show us a little better picture. Yeah, there you go. Boom. You could see some trades here. I think this was yesterday's trades. Let's see here. Let's go back to the 3-minute. I took 2 trades today. I haven't recorded live for you. We're going to go over those. And before we do me that quick favor. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And comment in the comment section below as well, even if it's just to say hi. Remember the trifecta. Come on, you feed the YouTube algorithm, helps me out. And remember, guys, we're about to break 5,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000, which we can definitely do, but I can only do it with your help, we're going to go ahead and do a giveaway where I'm going to give away a funded trading account. Now, it could be, if you want, one of these futures accounts. It could be whatever you want. It's going to be a funded account that I'm going to give away with actual money and to one of my lucky subscribers. So, but we're not going to do that until we don't reach 10,000 subs. So you got to help me out here. You got to like, you got to comment, you got to subscribe, share the videos with your friends on social media. Let them know, hey, come and watch this JesseW guy. His content at the very least is somewhat entertaining, if not informative. I think a lot of you guys like the information I put out here because I see it in the comment section below and we talk a lot about it. So if you guys share this out there, we can grow the channel and then we can do that giveaway, which I'm really anxious and happy to do. So I do have the live trades. Now I did trade here and then I traded over on my Schwab account again. And why did I trade back on my Schwab account? Well, because I'm stuck here, not able to trade the ES. All right, and I have to trade the regular E-minis, and I have to trade the micro E-minis, and I'm not used to trading the micro E-minis, so it kind of messes with me psychologically when I'm in these trades because I'm used to just having the one big contract. I get a few points move, take my profit, and I'm done. Here, I'm I don't know what to do. Should I sell? Should I add? What to do? Because it's each $1 move these things move is just $5. Versus the regular E-minis, each $1 move is $50. It kind of makes it a little bit difficult for me, regardless of the fact I am up over $300 on the day. So it's a triple on the day, and I'm really happy with that. Can't complain at all. I've reached now a level of consistency that if I can continue this the rest of the year, I'm going to have an awesome year. So I'm really hoping, praying I can continue this level of consistency and discipline and just get the job done. So let's go ahead and, what should I show you first? The live trades or the Schwab trades. Let's go ahead and get the Schwab trades out of the way right now. So you can see that. Well, this is yesterday's profit and loss. Whoops. Let me go ahead and get the Schwab trades. So they're probably up here somewhere. Yep, here they are. So we got the Schwab P&L here. Let me show you that. Whoops. So let's zoom in so you can see $207. Boom. That's on Schwab. And these were my trades. It's just one trade. That's all I did. It took one trade, made $200, and was very happy and satisfied with that. Here you go. I was short 27.44.25, covered 27.40, 4 points and a quarter. Later, after fees, $207 in my pocket. And that was my Schwab trade. And that was my last trade that I've taken so far today. Probably will be the last one, just in case we start to get choppy. I thought we were going to get choppy, but we just instead had a huge sell-off. So I had $207 there, plus $158 over here on Ninja. So well up over $300 in the day, you know, closer to 400 if anything. So I'm really happy with that. Here you can see the arrows. I'm going to zoom in on my trades. Oops. Here are my trades. So I got long in here looking for a bounce off of this area. We didn't get it. Stopped out immediately right there, and actually lost a little bit over $100 there. Okay, I lost a little bit over $100 here. I was basically anticipating the bounce of this 215 area here, because see, we came all the way down here to 208, which is 210 area. 210 area was previous support. Well, let me rephrase that. 2810 was like a previous support area. Let me see if I can get that over here so I can show it to you. 2810. Here we go. Get this chart. So here's the 2810 area. You can see it was support here, and we bounced off of it, came down to it, bounced off of it, and catapulted. And I thought we were going to get that. You know, I thought we were going to get that. We didn't. You know, we came down here on this candle. We bounced off of this 2010 area, 2810 area. And then as soon as we broke up over here, I got long thinking we were going to squeeze it out. We didn't. We started to come back down. I got out immediately, lost 100 and I think it was like 110 bucks or something like that. Then I waited, and I should have taken this as like a double bottom right here and maybe just gotten long here. Instead, once we broke over the 2815 area, I took that as more of a confirmation, got long in there. 2816, added more 2816 here, added some more 2019 here, started taking profits at 2820, 2823 was my last take profit. So thought I had another take profit in here somewhere. But yeah, that's it. That was my trade right there. And that one netted me $158 after I made back my losses on the previous trade right there. So I do have that trade live recorded. So we're going to go ahead and jump right on into that. Let's see here. I have both of them actually live recorded, I believe. Yep, I sure do. So here's my loser. Fast forward a little bit there. I thought we were going to start going there, but nope. So I just closed it out right there. Boom. Small loss. You know, my average was 20. I sold out in two lots to manage it out. So 2816 average price, sold half there. I had 8 contracts, sold the other 4 right there when we couldn't get it through. And then let's see here. Hard to. There we go. And then I'm back in, okay, and I have here, you see 8 contracts. I really think we're going to go. I thought we were just going to get one of those huge candles to 2830. So I add another 4 contracts here. It gives me 12 contracts. The equivalent of 10 of one E-mini would be like 10 micro E-minis. So that would be the equivalent. If I have 10 of these, it's basically like having one regular E-mini. But I was adding in lots of 4s there. So right there I have 12 contracts. And I'm looking for the push now through this area so I can start scaling out, just sell them out in lots of 4. So 3 sells was the plan. So there I am. My cost basis is 28.17. And I start peeling profits right here as we start to push. Standard, you've seen me trade like this a bunch of times. So I just start peeling off the profit. Boom, sell 4. Those are gone. Sell another 4. Those are gone. My new cost basis is 28.19. So I'm holding those with like basically a break-even stop, mental stop. And now I'm looking to see if we can get a little bigger push. 28.19, 06 right here, cost basis. We're at 28.23 right now. Boom, take those off right there. And that's it. I have booked my profit. Very, very, very smooth, easy trade. And as you can see, all these little pops are getting sold right on into. But I think I'm going to continue to play it safe here on the rest of the day. Market's very, very whiplashy right now. As easy as you can make money, you can lose money. And I'm up well over, $300 in a day, which for me is a great day. Anytime I can make $300-400 in one day, I'm happy. Even $200 in a day is really, really, really good to me personally. I know some traders out there who are used to making, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $10,000 in a day. A $200 day to them is scratch. $500 day is scratch, right? To me, a $200 to $500 day is an outstanding day. $1,000 days are freaking epic. So I think I'm going to stay disciplined here today, at least for the rest of the regular market hours potentially. Definitely during now lunch. See what this market's going to decide to do and play it safe. The daily on the SPY right now is really wild. Let me bring this over here real quick. As you can see there, really, really wild. We've actually bounced twice off of this 270 area now, yesterday and today. So let's see if it wants to hold. I mean, that area goes back to June of 2019. So let's see if that wants to hold. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the like button. I hope to catch you on the next one.